is the center of my world. For that the memory is the center of my world. Center of my world. Center of my world. Center of my world. Center of my world.
2 cups of tea and some cookies. You want cookies?
Yeah, cookies is good.
Cookies.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyway, so what about your love life? কি চলছে?
Love life? Nothing special.
Yeah? Really?
Yeah.
No like poets or rebels in your life, you know? Nothing like that?
No. I mean, yeah. Like, I don't know.
Nothing?
Well, they're nice, you know?
Okay.
They're focused, charming, but I guess I have a bad luck with them.
Bad luck?
Yeah. I think I'm scared of a commitment.
Okay. So no rock star, tea garden manager.
তুমি তো জেরা করতে শুরু করবে।
আরে না,
আর
no.
কি হবে এত কিছু জেনে? You're leaving soon, no? So what about you?
What about me?
Your love life?
My love life, ore baba. So America.
Long story.
Yeah, it is a long story. Like in the US, so after like my studies got over, so I joined this, you know, this IT firm, and okhani, you know, things were going well, and then I met my partner Barbara, and yeah, she changed my name from, you know, Aditya to Adi. Like, you know, it was more convenient for her. Yeah.
Partner?
Yeah.
Where is she?
That is a long story. Yeah. Nice place.
Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here.
You just need to wait some time. It takes time.
To brew.
You know, without your pictures, even I wouldn't recognize you. I remember you always had that issue with Pal.
Yeah.
You changed it to Paul back then only.
Yeah, I wanted to. It just felt right. Like, yeah.
So, where is she?
She?
Barbara.
Okay, so she's also a writer, and she's in the US. We actually we parted. We are not together anymore.
That's sad. Competitor?
No. Let's have the tea.
Yeah. I'll pour it.
Yeah. You know, I can't believe we met 5 years back. It's been 5 years since we met.
5 years?
Yeah.
That's impossible. So, do I look any different?
I'll have to see you naked.
What?
Yeah. But I think... Yeah, thank you. So, I think your hair was a bit different.
What? It's still the same.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Also, I think a bit more, you know, a bit more skinny, I think.
So you thought I was fat before?
Not fat, maybe voluptuous.
Parvat? Pass me the sugar.
Yep.
I take a lot of sugar.
I know.
Fat after all. What are you looking at? You think I'm a fatty, no?
No,
Yeah, you wrote a book about a fat bong girl.
No, I mean it. I think you're beautiful, okay? You're looking just amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna eat something?
Is there good pork here?
Yes. So, do you have roast pork sub sandwich? Can I get that?
Yeah.
You like
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Roast pork.
No, so as I was saying, you really look beautiful. Okay, do I look any different?
I think you've lost a little bit of your hair.
I have no, I know.
I'm just kidding. It's glowing. What skincare products do you use for the tabloids?
You're so sarcastic. You haven't changed a bit.
You know, I'll tell you something. I get this scary dream, okay, like I'm 27. Then I wake up and I'm like 21. Then I woke up for real and I was 27. How scary is that?
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah, like we stop renewing our timelines after 20s. It's like
Yeah.
downhill from there.
I enjoy getting older, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, I do. Like, I feel I can really, I don't know, appreciate things more. মানে আমি
Yeah,
জিনিসপত্রের ভ্যালু বেশি বুঝতে পারি।
Yeah, me too. I really enjoy it.
Sir, box. Box.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, let's just try this.
So, your book took off and you've been all around the world with it.
Yeah.
So, are you enjoying it?
No.
No?
No, really. I'm not.
You know, in my field, I see these people who come into this job and, you know, with big idealistic visions of becoming the new leader. But I feel like they don't enjoy the process. They just enjoy the goal.
I know what you mean. Like, you know, I don't know, it somehow becomes so difficult to, like, being in the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, I feel, মানে আমার যেটা হয়, মানে একটা জিনিস পূর্ণ হলে আমার মনে হয় যে, you know, what's next? হ্যাঁ, তো I don't know, it's very difficult for me to be in the moment anymore.
So, not desiring anything, I think that's a sign of depression.
Yeah, you think I might be depressed. Yeah, most probably.
Yeah, you might be. So, in a contemporary world with multiple human relationships, who do you think gets the heart?
Maybe the first one gets the heart.
Are you trying to establish anything?
Maybe.
After all this time, does it matter anymore?
Like, you don't write a book about everyone, right?
Well, some write songs, some write poems.
Listen,
Yes,
I have a plane in the next 10 hours.
I'm aware.
Yeah,
Huh?
I don't know when we'll meet again. I really want to see this place a bit. Yeah, if you're free, would you please, like, show me around?
Yeah, I would love to. What do you have in mind?
You lead the way. Yeah, let's just finish this.
Yeah, let's finish it.
It's amazing.
But how do you open this? Oh, yeah.